How to make chapters, section, and subsection in docs. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google Docs, and after that, simply go to Format, and then you will see an option of paragraph styles. The process is just the same for Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Here I am showing by using Google Docs. Now in order to add a title, what you will have to do is select title and then apply title. After that, whatever you type is now a title. Next, in order to type a subtitle or a subtext, do the same. Go to format, go to paragraph styles, and use subtitle. If you want subtext, these are the headings that you could use. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.